In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Shein without credit card. If you want to shop straight from your phone without typing in a card number, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use the Shein app and choose a payment method like cash on delivery, Gcash, PayPal, or GrabPay so you can check out confidently and securely. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure your app is up to date and your internet connection is stable so pages load quickly and your choices save correctly. Next, browse for the item you want. Use the search bar or categories, apply filters for size, color, and price, and read the size guide and reviews to pick the right fit. When you're happy with your choice, tap Add to Cart. You can repeat this for multiple items. Now, head over to your cart by tapping the cart icon. Take a moment to review everything inside. Double-check sizes, colors, quantities, and any applied coupons. You'll often see estimated shipping fees here, which is helpful for budgeting before you pay. From your cart, select the items you want to buy today and tap Checkout. This takes you to the order summary. Here you'll see your selected items and the delivery details associated with your account, along with shipping options and any promotions. Make sure everything looks correct so there are no surprises later. On the payment method screen, choose a non-credit card option. Cash on delivery lets you pay the courier when your package arrives, though availability can depend on your location and order total, and it's best to have exact cash ready. If you prefer a digital wallet, select Gcash or GrabPay and ensure you have sufficient balance before you proceed. If you use PayPal, you can draw from your PayPal balance or linked bank, keeping your card details private within PayPal. Pick whichever option you're most comfortable with. Finally, tap Continue to proceed. This confirms your payment choice and moves you forward in the checkout process. If you selected cash on delivery, there's nothing to pay online. Just be ready when the package arrives. If you chose a wallet or PayPal, you may see a quick confirmation screen from that provider before you return to the app. And that's all you need to order from Shein without a credit card. Take a last look at your order summary, watch for any notifications from the app, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.